Hello friend, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. In previous two sessions, we have learned about file reading. Now, in this session, we will learn how to make graphical representation using those files. First, read the file. Write A is equals to read dot csv. Now, write your file name. Write here header is equals to true. Write here shape is equals to comma. Now printing. Run this. See, the output is our CSV file. Now we will create a histograph here for marks. Write hist, write here a dollar mark. Run it. See here the output is a histogram. Now see some more attribute used inside histogram. Write main is equals to histogram. The main attribute is used to name the histogram. Run it. See, histogram is the name of this histogram. If you want to give name to x-axis here, then write xlab is equals to marks. Run it. See here marks. Now if you want to give name to the y-axis, then write ylab is equals to number of students. Run it. See here number of student is name of y-axis. Now if you want to change the border of this histogram, then write here border and give here color name red. Now run it. See, now the border of histogram is red. Now see plot function. Plot function is used to compare two columns. Write plot, pass here a dollar draw and a dollar marks. Now run it. See, this is plot. We can also name this plot using main. Main is equals to write comparison. Run it. See here comparison. We can also name to x-axis. Right here xlab is equals to roll. Run it. See, name of x-axis is roll. Now if you want to change this, then write ylab is equals to marks. Run it. See, marks. Okay. Now see some modification in plot. If you want to do this mark vertical, then write here LAS is equals to 1. See here. Run it. See. The marks change into vertical. Okay. See, if you want to change the color of dot, then write here col. Yes, col is equals to 6. Run it. See, the color of this dot has changed now. Change it to 2. Run it. See. Okay. Now, if you want to increase the size of dot, then write CEX is equals to 2. See here, the size of dot has increased. Right here 3. See, okay, so right here 2. Run it. Okay. Now, if you want to change the symbol from dot to other, then write PCH is equals to, give you a 3. Now run it. See, the symbol has changed in output. Okay. You can also use the alphabet or digit of your choice instead of this symbol. Okay. Right here, suppose if you want to print S, right here S. Run it. See, the output has S, which is our choice. Now see one more representation. Right here box plot and pass here $, marks. Run it. See, here the bottom line is showing the minimum marks and the top line is showing maximum value of marks. This dark line is showing the average of marks. We can also use this all attribute with box plot. We can use this all attribute with box plot. In this session, we learned some different type of graphical representation. Friend, for any doubt, please write it in comment section. Thank you.